Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving into the world of baking soda, that versatile white powder that's a staple in many kitchens. In this video, we'll explore the 6 benefits and potential dangers of using baking soda. So, let's get started. Benefit number 1, natural cleaning agent. Baking soda is a fantastic non-toxic cleaning agent. It's great for scrubbing away stains on countertops, sinks, and even cutting boards. Plus, it acts as a deodorizer, eliminating unpleasant odors from refrigerators, carpets, and shoes. Benefit number 2, teeth whitening. Baking soda can be used as a natural teeth whitener. Its mild abrasive properties help remove stains from your teeth, leaving you with a brighter smile. However, it's essential to use it sparingly and not as a substitute for regular dental care. Benefit number 3, heartburn relief. Baking soda's alkaline nature can help alleviate occasional heartburn and indigestion. Mixing a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water may provide temporary relief by neutralizing stomach acid. But remember, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional if you experience persistent or severe symptoms. Benefit number 4, natural exfoliator. Baking soda's gentle exfoliating properties make it an excellent addition to your skincare routine. You can create a simple paste by mixing baking soda with water, and then use it to exfoliate your skin, leaving it smooth and refreshed. However, it's vital to test it on a small area of your skin first, as it may cause irritation for some individuals. Benefit number 5, eco-friendly weed killer. Baking soda can be a natural alternative to chemical weed killers. Sprinkling baking soda on weeds can help dry them out and ultimately kill them. It's a safer option if you have children or pets around, but be careful not to use it on plants you want to keep. And now, let's discuss the potential dangers of baking soda. Danger number 1, high sodium content. Baking soda is high in sodium, so if you have a sodium-restricted diet or high blood pressure, you should be cautious about its usage. Excessive consumption of baking soda can disrupt the body's electrolyte balance and lead to health complications. Danger number 2, alkalosis. Overusing baking soda or consuming it in large amounts can result in a condition called alkalosis. Alkalosis occurs when the body's pH becomes too alkaline, leading to symptoms like nausea, vomiting, muscle twitching, and even seizures. It's crucial to use baking soda in moderation and follow recommended guidelines. And there you have it, folks. 6 benefits and potential dangers of using baking soda. Remember, while baking soda can be a helpful tool, it's important to use it responsibly and in moderation. If you have any pre-existing health conditions, consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating it into your routine. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content. Until next time, happy baking and stay safe.